Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss Keurig not turning on and step-by-step guide for quick fix. Number 1. Check power connections. Ensure the machine is securely plugged into a functioning outlet. Number 2. Reset the machine. Unplug the Keurig, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Press the power button to see if it responds. Number 3. Verify water reservoir placement. Confirm the water reservoir is correctly seated, as improper alignment can prevent the machine from powering on. Number 4. Inspect for overheating. If the machine overheats, it may have a resettable thermostat that trips. Unplug the machine, let it cool for about 30 minutes, then try powering it on again. Thanks for watching.